Fermi resonance. It was given by Enrico Fermi. So it was named after him. So it is Fermi resonance. Let's read the definition. Interaction which occurs between fundamental and overtone or combination bands are known as Fermi resonance. Here the interaction can be occur between fundamental and overtone and fundamental and combination band. These interactions which are obtained between fundamental and overtone or combination band is nothing but Fermi resonance. Let's study what are these interactions by taking an example. Here in the Fermi resonance, what happens means here the matching the frequency of fundamental and overtone or combination bands will occur. So it is called as Fermi resonance. Here the frequency will match. Both have equal intensity with a gap approximately 100 centimeter inwards. This point can be well understood by taking an example. So let's consider an aldehyde. Here this is the aldehyde. Here in the aldehyde what happens means here is a CH. We know that in the IR spectrum CH stretching will be obtained. So here CH stretching will obtained as a doublet. Here it is the doublet. It is obtained as a doublet. One is due to the CH fundamental stretching, which is obtained at 2820 centimeter inwards. This is due to the fundamental stretching. And the second one is due to overtone, that is bending deformations. So this 2720 centimeter inwards is for a overtone, which is obtained for bending. So let's study what we have studied once again. See, here is a aldehyde. Here let's consider the CH stretching. This CH stretching absorption will appear as a doublet. Here it is a doublet. So this band will have some frequency and this band will have some frequency. So here 2820 centimeter inwards for the CH stretching is of fundamental stretching and 2720 centimeter inwards is of overtone bending in the CH stretching. So here 2820 and 2720 is having approximately 100 centimeter inwards gap, and these two are having same intensity, that is the CH stretching, that is CH doublet in the aldehyde is having same intensity with a gap approximately of 100 centimeter inwards. So here the frequency of these two bands are exactly, that is approximately equal. Such type of bands are called as to be exhibiting Fermi resonance. Here you can see your 2820 is of fundamental and 2720 is of overtone. So here interaction between the fundamental and overtone has been taken place, and these two are having equal intensity with the gap which is approximately equal to 100 centimeter inwards. That means their frequency is exactly matching. So such type of interactions are called as Fermi resonance. We know that vibrational energy levels V0, V1, V2, V3. If the transition occurred from V0 to V1, it is called as fundamental bands. And for the combination or overtone bands, let's consider for the first overtone V0 to V2 through the fundamental band. V0 to V2 through the fundamental band is nothing but first overtone. If these two intensities are matched and frequencies also matched, they may have gap between them, that is approximately 100 centimeter inverse. Such type of interactions are called as Fermi resonance. This is fundamental and this is the overtone.